Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Chennai's most anticipated luxury residential development, Prestige Pallavaram Gardens, strategically located on Pallavaram, Thuraipakkam Road. If you are looking for a premium home with spacious residences, world-class amenities and excellent connectivity, then this project is definitely worth exploring. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Prestige Pallavaram Garden is a premium residential township by the Prestige Group spread across a massive 21.84 acres land parcel in Pallavaram, Chennai. The development features 25 premium residential towers, each designed with a two-basement level, ground floor, and 14 residential floors. The township has been thoughtfully planned with expansive open space, landscape greenery, modern infrastructure, and premium lifestyle features, creating a perfect balance between luxury and everyday convenience. Whether you are looking for a 2, 3, or 4 BHK home, you will find spacious layout designed for comfortable family living. Now talking about the location, which is one of the biggest highlight of this project, Prestige Pallavaram Garden enjoys excellent connectivity to some of the Chennai's key educational institutions, transport hubs and business districts. Wells Institute of Science and Technology is just about 3 minutes away. Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School is just around 5 minutes away. Sri Chaitanya Techno School can be reached in about 7 minutes. Chennai International Airport is approximately 15 minutes away and Pallavaram Railway Station is just 10 minutes from the project. So whether you are commuting to work or dropping your kids to school, everything is conveniently accessible. Now coming to the lifestyle offerings, Prestige Pallavaram Garden offers everything you would expect from a premium township. Residents can enjoy a grand clubhouse, a rooftop infinity swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a yoga deck, a dedicated kids play area, jogging and walking track along with a 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance. The entire project has been designed to promote a healthy, comfortable and community-oriented lifestyle. Now talking about the apartment options, the 2 BHK residences come with a super built-up area ranging from 1001 to 1229 square feet with the prices starting from 1.20 crore rupees onward. The 3 BHK apartment range between 1352 to 1770 square feet with the prices starting from 1.62 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for something even more spacious, the 4 BHK residences offer a super build-up area of 2699 to 2735 square feet with the prices starting from 3.24 crore rupees onwards. So what makes this project stand out? First, it's backed by a trusted prestige group. Second, it's a massive 24.84 acre integrated township with the 25 premium residential towers. Add to that the rooftop infinity pool, grand clubhouse, premium lifestyle amenities, and excellent connectivity, and you have a project that's ideal for both end users and long-term investors. If you book through Property Cloud, you can also enjoy exclusive benefits like spot discounts, special payment plans, and best available pricing, free pickup and drops for site visit, and absolutely zero brokerage charges. Overall, if you are planning to buy a premium home in Chennai with a spacious residences, luxury amenities, and a well-connected location, then Prestige Pallavaram Garden is definitely a project you should consider. To get the latest pricing, floor plan, master plan, brochure, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.